Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
There's 3 more coming up.
Yep.
I'm not letting a fucking single one come in. You knew what you needed to do.
Yeah, especially when there's a cart, right? Top cart right there.
I'm not doing it. That sucks. Oh. I'm not moving, okay? I don't give a shit.
Road Rager?
It's a you problem. You saw it well ahead of me. Guess what? Go ahead, pass me, man. Aw, you're cute. It's alright. I don't care. They're on camera. Bye-bye. Sorry, my post faster than yours. Get good, scrub. Bye-bye. I said that.
Well, you said my or Walmart.
Never gave me a...
I said I didn't care because I'm not going to eat cookies.
I'm so mad.
I know.
About cleaning it. I swear I'm like TD Jakes to my long kiss. 88 for my nemesis. 300 EGA on the premise.
The bag of mixed cats.
Wow.
Oh! What the? Why? What is happening? What has happened? What happened? What the? This car broke down. Yeah, and the horn is stuck. Jesus Christ.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you told me about this.
Yeah. She was in like pitch black and stuff, so I took the next exit and I pulled over and then.
I had to call 911. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you
Slam your brakes on the f***ing freeway!
Oh my god.
You should have just gone.
That's disgusting. Ew.
Video mode. Recording started.
About potentially dismantling that and rebuilding in their home country.
And the court's ruling stands to put more pressure on industries that rely on immigrant labor. The U.S. workforce includes more than 700,000 people with TPS. Many work in healthcare, childcare, and senior care.
Oh my God. Oh. Call 911.
Calling emergency services.
clobbered.
Don't you move. Don't you move. No, 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 no. No, no, no.
Great.
Stop. Motherfucker.
Hey, Dashcam. Cows. Don't have a cow, man.
That's what I got from her today. Let's see.
Me.
Oh, Jesus.
The elevator door opens and they're just what do you have to do? Church, and you go all around and act like this is an unbelievable thing. Hello, y'all hear this all the time, and your servants.
Emergency video.
Dumb mother.
Damn.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.